Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we're gonna go ahead and make broccoli casserole. So to do this, I got 2 bags of frozen broccoli, and they are 1 1/3 cups per bag. So we are just going to put these in the steamer and steam them up real quick. While the broccoli is steaming, or the water's heating up for the steamer, I am going to shred this one 8-ounce block of extra sharp cheddar cheese. And yes, I have the shredder on the KitchenAid, but this is just a lot easier and a lot less messy. Next, I'm going to dump in a separate bowl 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 1/2 cups of sour cream. Just take another couple dollops. I'm going to chop 1 small onion. I'm going to put it in there with the broccoli while it steams, and then I'll transfer it to this mixture once it's done. But just chop it really fine. Alright, this is a steamer basket. I actually got this off of Marketplace. It was like $4. With free shipping, I might add, because I got in on all that free shipping that they were doing on Marketplace. Alright, we're going to put this on to steam just for maybe 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take a little butter and grease this 9 by 12 inch casserole dish. To this mixture, I'm going to add a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning you want, though. It's just basically seasoned salt. A teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic. Yes, those are my 3 go-tos. Now I'm just going to mix this up. Add the cheese. Take 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. Just break them up. You don't have to do this way, you can do any which way you want. We're just waiting on the broccoli. You also want to preheat your oven to 350. I did that as soon as I woke up, so I'm also going to grate about 1/4 or 1/2 cup of Parmesan. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, y'all, the broccoli. There we go. I'm just gonna Mix this up. Ooh. Alright, now we're just going to pour into our pan or our dish. We're going to sprinkle it with Parmesan. Then we're going to add the 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. Yummy! Alright, y'all. Our broccoli casserole is ready. We're just waiting on the seafood stuffing, our dressing. Then we can have our Christmas dinner. Alright, y'all. There you have it. We didn't do a taste test because everything was just so insanely good. We would have had to do a taste test for each thing, but please like, share, and subscribe. And if you make any of these things, let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.